In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check dislikes on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up any web browser and then go to youtube.com. After that, make sure you are signed into your YouTube account, and once you've done that, click at your YouTube channel's avatar or profile picture and then go to YouTube Studio. After that, click at Content. It will show you all of your content on a particular YouTube channel, and that's where we can find the information about each particular video, like views, comments and likes. However, if we would like to check dislikes, we just need to hover mouse cursor right over here, and in that pop-up we can check the number of likes and the number of dislikes. That's how you can easily check dislikes on YouTube.